Hey guys, welcome to my channel Encode Decode. Today we are going to see about subtraction in linked list, which means there are two linked lists as being given, which contains positive numbers, which means it also contains a large number or small number. We have to subtract that number from large to small. By that we can able to get the value which is about a positive number. We need to print that statement, which means we need to export that statement in the form of linked list also. Before that, I just want to explain what is linked list if someone doesn't know. Okay, linked list is a kind of storage type, which means we can using the linked list we can store the data in a particular location, which is also connected to the next node. For example, linked list is a kind of a node. Okay, this single box is called as node. It contains two part. One is data part and another one is address part. Okay, this data part contains a value. For example, one. This address part is connected to linked to another node. Okay, again same data and address. This contains 0. Likewise, it was con- contains to limitless number of nodes. Okay, this contains also, for example, 5 and address of another variable. Okay, for example, by overall we are getting a value of 105. Likewise, in the another linked list we are having a value of maybe 85. Okay, by subtracting this we are getting a value of 20. This is how we have to give the output, but in this 20 also we have to make it as a linked list. For example, we have to create a new linked list and put an output of this particular node contain 2. This having address of this node. In this node it contains a 0 data which was linked to this particular address. This is how we have to given the or create a subtraction in linked list concept. Now let's see the example. For example, we are having a value of L1 is equal to 100 and the L2 of 1 2, which means 100 and 12. The resultant will be 88. Minusing 12, the resultant will be 88. The, this is what I've explained about you. Whatever I was said, it was written over here. There are on the output linked list also given in the form of data and node. This contain 8. This particular node contains 8. This was linked to this. I hope now you guys are understand what is linked list in a minimal way. Now let's jump into the topic. What is the concept you are going to follow to achieve this answer? First, we are going to create a linked list code. By using that linked list concept or linked list code, we are going to create a new set of linked list, which means this is first variable we are going to input, and this is second variable we are going to input. We can say L1 and L2. Okay, we are going to create a code for linked list, and after that we are creating another code, which means, for example, we can say this one is class 1, and we are going to create another class to retrieve those values and check get check or get the answer which is greater than to the another number and subtracting. Those manipulation comes under this part. This is one code block. We can say class 2. Okay. And the final part is we are going to create another set of code blocks. This contains the input value from the user. Okay. This is how it works. Now you're going to check whether this will work in the code or not. Okay, let's jump into the code. As I said previously, I have created a three sets of code. First one is a creation of linked list. Uh, as I previously mentioned, we are going to create a new linked list class. Uh, from here, I have created new linked list class. Okay, let me change the color of this. Okay, yeah. Hmm. Before creating of linked list, I have created a node class. As I previously said, linked list contains a node. Okay, it is having a two thing. First one is data and another is address. In this creation of node, we are giving a underscore in it, which means it is a special method. It is also called as a constructor in Python. But it's not actually in the name of constructor. It acts like a constructor. Whenever we created a or called a particular this class object, it will automatically execute this particular code block. We don't need to call this function in any of the code if we are creating an object for this class node. Okay. I hope you guys have known what is object, what is method, like those stuff. Now I'm creating a, uh new instance, new constructor, which will assign a value for the data and next. Okay, and I'm creating a new linked list class. It is also containing a like a constructor uh, initiate variable. Okay, the reason why why the name is init is initiate. If the any variable passes inside this particular block of code, means it is initiating the variable throughout the object. It will embed the variable through the object. Okay, in this we are creating a head and tail. For example, as I said, head contains the data, tail contains the memory address of the next node. We are creating over here. After that, I'm creating a insert function. This function which helps us to insert one by one. We are going to give an input of 100, but we need to insert one by one only. Is 100. This insert function make sure it will insert one by one to create a linked list. This is how it works. It will check if is there any new linked list has been created. If the new linked list created, means there is no head value. So that is why if head is null, it will create this. It will come to this particular if statement. Okay, if now we are going to create a new linked list, means L1 is equal to, we are giving a value of 82. Once again, I will change this. We are giving a value of 82, which means uh, first by first time only we are going to give it as this. Okay, this 8 will come in this place because before this there is no head value. It will come under this section. It will create a new node of value. For example, if there is no header, means this particular value comes to this place, node will be called. Okay, so then it will come this automatically. This init function automatically called like a constructor, it will assign the data value like this and create a new node. After that, 2 will be comes to else part. This is how it works. Okay, I hope you guys have understood. After that, I have created a print statement. The reason why we are doing is we just want to know what is the difference of two linked lists, right? That is the reason we are going to print this. This is just a print statement. For example, we are passing the value inside this print. After that, we are doing a keeping a while loop unless until the condition was satisfied. While will be executed endlessly. After that, we are printing n of data, and is equal to, the reason why we are giving is we are combining those data, which means uh, 8 space 8 2, which it will not like that, it will give us a 82. Okay, the next part of code is the solution code. In this section we will uh, check what is the difference between two linked list values. For example, okay, I will tell you what we are doing over here. uh, in this linked list we are creating a new form of function. For example, we are having a self value and L1 L2. L1 L2 in the sense of linked list 1 and linked list 2. We are creating a new variable named L1 value. After that, we are checking if L1 dot data is none. For example, maybe sometimes the linked list value may also be null. For example, the L1 value is 100 and L2 value is null. So we must have to give an output of 100. That is the task. It is checking L1 dot data is none. If it is none, L1 value is equal to 0. There is no change. While if L1 having any values, it comes under this area. Now L1 plus is equal to string of L1 dot data, which means if the value is 100, right, it will pass first 1. It will add it to the string L1 value to 1. Next it will goes to L1 is equal to L1 dot next. The address will be changed. So this will come and it will add to the string like this, 1 plus 0 of 1 of string plus 0 of string, which means 100. Totally this also comes over here and totally 100. I hope you guys have just understand what this how this works. Likewise, we are also creating a list 2 of value. The reason is we are having two linked list. We have to get the two integer values. So that is the reason we are creating a two linked list. The same concept has been repeated over here. And finally, we are just want to know which value is higher, right? So that is the reason I am creating another variable for the output. If integer of L1 greater than integer of L2, based on this it will subtract the value and assign a final value. Or else you can also simply do like this: final val is equal to absolute of this. This also works. Whatever the value is greater than or lesser than, if the value comes in minus, it will absolute will make it as a plus value. You can also try it like this. And finally, we are going to insert this final value to a linked list. The reason why we are doing is we must have to make that final answer to a linked list, right? So that is the reason we are assigning a we are creating a new linked list in the name of my_lr, which means my linked list. We are calling linked list class over here. Actually we are created the linked list class from this place. We are calling this linked list class down here. After that we are inserting the high value. For example, we are giving a 180 value, that value remaining value is 20. The final value is be 20, right? So we are going to pass 2 and 0. This will be inserted into particular linked list function right over here. Previously I said we are creating a class, so we are going to create an object to call the function within the class. This is the object which we are creating in the name of myll. By using this myll, we are calling the function within the object or method within the object. And finally we are going to return myll.add. This is how it works. If we want to know whether this particular code is right or wrong, we have to write another block of code to test it, right? So I'm creating a simple input statement. ls1 list1 is equal to input and list2 is equal to another input, and passing this into an array, creating this into an array. The reason why I'm doing this, we have to pass one by one to a linked list, right? So that is the reason I'm creating this. I'm creating another object ll1 in creating a linked list and inserting the value one by one into the object. This is how it works. Likewise, I'm creating another array, another object to the particular class, and do it same. Okay, if I'm giving this means, for example, I can say 150 and 120. The resultant will be 30. This is how it works. We are creating another object OB as a solution. For example, this is the class we have created for solution to check. Okay, we are creating an OB, and result is equal to OB dot sublinked list L1 dot 8 L2 dot 8. This is the function we are passing over here. L1 dot 8 in the sense the first element we are traversing through this linked list. We are passing this head, we are passing this head. It will come right over here and check all the values, and in this we are creating another linked list. It will come right over here. It just like a cycle. Okay, it will again happen again and again and again by calling itself. And finally we are creating print list result. This print list has been created in this place. Yes, that's it, guys. This is how the code works. I hope you guys have understand this particular concept. This one of the questions has been asked if in Amazon interview. I hope you guys have understand that. If you guys have any doubt regarding this, please ping me in the comment. I will try to answer you guys. If you guys want to follow me, I also share my LinkedIn profile in the comment box. Please do follow, and if you guys have any queries on that, personally you guys can contact me over there. Okay guys, thank you, bye bye.